Did you get a box in the mail today?
Yeah.
Who sent it?
And Holly.
And what did she send to you?
Crocs.
Are those your new Crocs?
Yeah.
What's on them?
Jewelry.
Can I see?
Look.
Well, turn your foot where I can see it, silly.
Look.
All right, that one is very fancy, isn't it? Shiny. What does that one have on it? What does that say on there?
My name?
It does? What's your name?
Sydney.
Cool. What else did Aunt Holly send you?
A new cup.
Look, can I see it? Can you show it to me?
Okay. Well, where is it? Look.
What does it say on that cup?
My name.
Is that a cool cup? Show me how you open it.
Look.
Oh, that's cool. All right. And what else?
Croc.
What color? Turquoise. What's on that one?
Spider.
A spider. And what else? What color is that?
This.
Uh-huh.
Yellow and polka dot.
Yeah. What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow Crocs. And what's on them?
There's watermelon and there's a SpongeBob.
A SpongeBob. And what else?
Bunny rabbit.
And what color are those?
Green.
All right. And what else? Pink. That is too many Crocs, I think. What do you think?
Let's go put them in there.
You want to go put them in your room? Okay, what do you say to Aunt Holly?
Thank you for bringing the Croc.
Okay.